Okay, so our opponent chooses to play first again, which is not surprising, I guess. This hand needs green mana, of course, but if it gets there, it's pretty good. So I can't see myself mulliganing this. But it's kind of borderline. I need some help here. And forced. Well, Crusader's good too, so if I pick up just another land, then it's... We got a turn 3 play. We would have that anyway. Okay, Shrine of Burning Rage. That's a good one. Maybe I can catch him off guard with no mana and kill it with a Silver Replica. We'll see about that. That's not a land. Come on, deck, I need your help here. The Shrine of Burning Rage can also deal with the Crusader, that sucks. But then again, every burn spell can, so... Oh no, he has protection from red, so... Okay, land. Thank you very much. I'm so proud. So... I guess... we play the Crusader here. You will kill it with the Burning Shrine. Maybe it's safer to play the Talisman and wait until I can kill the Shrine. Dunno. We'll see. I think that the Crusader is a very important part of my deck. So I think I have to preserve that. Okay. If I draw a forest, I'm gonna be very happy here. Gain life. Phyrexia Rager. That's decent. Do I want to do that? I think, yeah, Rager is better than the Instill Infection, I guess. And draw another land, although it's still black. But don't look a gift horse in the mouth, they say. And if he's gonna burn the shrine on it, I would gladly accept that. So do I block here? I think I'll trade. It's 4, but otherwise it would be 4 and then 4 again. So I don't like early trading here, but I think I still need some help, and I've got a pretty decent long game, so. I'll trade creatures here. Wow. Not a Mortis Dog, so it's mortisdog.deck. Green. Wow, what's up with all these swamps? Oh, did I forget the Pristine Talisman? I guess I did. That sucks. Okay, so I got 6 mana. I can play the Blinding Soul Eater here. And see what's going on. Or I can use Instill Infection to draw a card. Oh, I should have not played the swamp. Okay. I think I'll play Instill Infection on the Mortis Dogs here. And hope to draw a forest in the next 2. It's a bit defensive and all, but yeah, gotta do something. Begin combat, sure. He's attacking. Okay, trigger resolves. And Draw Coppermere. It's something. Maybe I should have did it main phase. Then I could have played the Coppermere and you know. Okay, I'll take 3. I'm still at 15, so there's and there's the forest. Nice. So what do we do here? I think Rotwolf and Coppermere here, or Rotwolf and Soul Eater. I honestly want to use the replica only when he's tapped out. I'm that kind of greedy. Or I could just take 4. 1, 2, 3. Kill. Yeah, I can kill the shrine. You will burn it in my face, and then play the Phyrexian Crusader. I guess that's better. Kill. He'll sacrifice it for 4 damage, of course. Sure. Okay. And then I'll play the Phyrexian Crusader and pass. If he has the full charge, I wanted to say that's that, but he's pro-red, so Grim Affliction, spread the sickness, it all works, but otherwise I'm in pretty good shape here. If I run out the Coppermere instead of that, I could have played Thrun in the next turn, but hey. I think this is the better line of play. He can't attack with his Mortis Dogs now, so because I won't lose life and he would just die. And I'm still at 12 life, so that's good. Artillery, no. What does he have? Less energy. Yeah, that works. Okay. So I lose a life and I lose a Phyrexian Crusader. That sucks. But I still have enough gas in my hand that I can manage. Wow, and then he conceded. I do not get that. But hey, I'm fine with that. But I really don't get that. I think that must be a mistake for his part. Okay, now, so that's how you win the first round. See you in round 2.